Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Hi, guys. If you're new here, visiting for the very first time, welcome, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, already a part of the Diva family, welcome back, loves. Okay, so today I'm doing a glam Christmas DIY for you. And for this DIY, you will need these two glasses from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need two of these little bowls right here from the Dollar Tree. And you're going to need an ornament of your choice for the Dollar Tree. You're going to need your choice of trim. Today I am using some leftover trim that I have from BB Craft. You're going to need some E6000 or whatever strong glue you have, your glue gun, your scissors, and your glue stick, okay? So, and if you're ready to get started, grab your favorite drink, relax, and sip while you work. Hey guys, so as you can see, my drink of choice today is some good old H2O. Yes, I'm drinking a bottle of water today. That's what I'll be sipping on while I work. But this project is so easy and fast, I might not even have time to take a sip, guys, okay? This is very affordable and it's easy, and all the items are from the Dollar Tree, and it will only cost you about $6 if you add the Dollar Tree flowers. Depending on how many bunches you get, it can be maybe up to $8, okay? Very affordable. And what we're making is known as a trumpet glass vase centerpiece, and these range from $25 up to $80 online. And I'm going to show you my imitation of it. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our two glass pieces and we're going to take our E6000, and we're just going to go around the rim with our E6000. Just for time's sake, I'm going to put a little of the hot glue on there. And then we are going to put these pieces together. Try to get your glue strings out of there before you put the two together. And we're just going to put them together just like so, okay? Now, we're going to take our bling wrap. Let's see which piece I want to use. Okay. And we're going to take our hot glue. And we just want to add our bling wrap around. Right where they meet at. So this will give it some extra sturdiness. And that's how that looks. Okay, so now we're going to take one of our glass cylinders and we're going to add our trimming around the top. there. Now we have our pieces all done. Let's put them all together. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn our piece upside down. We're going to add a generous amount of our E6000. Also, I'm going to add a little of my hot glue. And we're going to take our piece that we did earlier, and we're just going to eyeball it and set it right on top. And again, we're going to take our E6000. Move this back in case you guys can't see. And we're going to add a generous amount again on this side. Now I'm going back in with my hot glue. And we're going to take that other piece and we're going to kind of eyeball it again and put it together. Now guys, we're going to take our Christmas ornament. You can take whatever ornament you would like that has a Christmas feel to it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to, since both sides are kind of sticking out with the little jewel inside, I'm just going to try to pull that part off. Here it is. Comes apart pretty easy, but also it brought this apart too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this. Okay, I want to find out where I stopped at with my trim. Okay, so I stopped right there. You can tell this is where I will be putting my ornament. Set up for a minute. And this is how it looks all put together. Guys, if you're liking this video so far, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you can see more DIYs, home decor videos, tablescapes, you name it, you'll see it on here. Okay, so this is how it looks with flowers in it. I just have some faux white roses in them. And I think it came out super cute. You can use it for your centerpiece. You can give this as a gift to a family member or to a friend. You also can put flowers in it, like you see I have it set up here. You can use vase fillers to fill it in. You can use pearls as vase fillers. You can use the gems also. There's so many ways that you can use this and style it because of the clear glass. And here they are with the red glittered stems. You could put Christmas faux flowers in it as well for the Christmas season. And this is just without the flowers in it, with just the stems, which I think is a pretty setup. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Until next time guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye my loves.